got this lake house filled with fire. Sure, I'm fucked up, not a liar. I'm too broke to retire. Life's a joke, at least I'm funny. Fuck yourself, don't need your money. Yeah, I'm bad but not a bunny. Yeah, I'm mad but not a hatter. You can keep your social ladder. Still living life like it's golden, taking shots, we're going rolling. Got my friends and we're all token. Ain't no worries, we're just joking. I miss you more than anyone would care to know. And you miss me, but you won't ever let that show. Dear God, you fucked up, I'm still here. Take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear. 816 ever since the first day, and clinically proven I'm mentally insane, yeah. Still here, take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear. Dragging lungs from smoking, breathing, my heart's beating, God is beeping. All you've said, you're fucked in the head. If you think I'm better dead, just take your ass to bed. Cause if they see the truth, it won't be me to lose. Yeah, yeah. I'm still here. Take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear. Dear God, you fucked up, I'm still here. Take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear. Dear God, you fucked up, I'm still here. Take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear. Dear God, you fucked up, I'm still here. Take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear. Dear God, you fucked up, I'm still here. Take the wheel, cause Jesus, I can see clear.
What's up, slut?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, oh. No, I keep it strapped. Lesbians wanna tap, no cap. From the back, 30 rack, keep it stacked. So they call me Big Mac, call me Big Poppy. I don't give a fuck, but still wanna fuck mommy. Yeah. Still smoking fat, yeah, I'm smoking on Natsu. I don't give a fuck what you really wanna do. Still keep it strapped from the back, 30 rack, no cap, yeah. Smoking on Natsu, call me Big Poppy. Bitches wanna top me, I don't give a fuck. Still fucking with Nami, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, oh. Fuck, dude, I guess that's the end of the song. Here we go. Nothing else. Yeah, fuck y'all,
still
bitches.
Keep it strapped, double tap on zombie, knives through Bobby. Still can't rob me. Where the fuck got me? Straight Rob Zombie, the Chinese man, straight nasty as your mom be. A 6-pack,
3 hours.
Straight Abercrombie, her dick swag. She calls me Poppy, a Tic Tac. Bitch, what the bomb be? I don't give a fuck. You and you.
Yeah, oh, yeah, oh.
Hello, Liz. This is your manager.
What's up, slut?
And the singer at a correct number, so if you attempted to make a collect call to this number.
I don't give a motherfucker chipping kids from Compton. Swear to God, they couldn't even stop him. They kill the world from the words I'm dropping. Moms in the church screaming God.
What's up, boy?
I can't rap. I can't rap. They say I can't rap.
Yeah. 816 ever since the first day. You don't even see that the blood in the moon dries. Lifeless love drips pain from dark skies. You don't even see that time moves clockwise. It just takes time to see through your lies. 816 ever since the first day, and I don't give a fuck what your man gotta say. I'm the blood red band when I'm homeward bound. Take a pussy to the pound, make your boyfriend drown. Yeah, she ain't a catfish, but her pussy still wet. And when it comes to pussy, I be something like a vet. Yeah, she got me feeling fishy cause she wearing a net. Is it blood or sweat? Jesus Christ, fucking Puss in Boots. It's my last lie. Yeah, babe so thick like Shrek in tight. Got a kiss in French like Talladega Nights. When it comes to my lyrics, I own the rights.
Shut slut.
Yeah, fuck with me and you gonna see that OCD ain't as clean as me. ACD, who the fuck you be? I never gave a F, she got the D. So I guess you could say she F with me, cause I got a lot of wood on the family tree. And she must be a sailor cause she wants to see I'm reppin' KC, I'm IND. Dylan, I'm sorry, it's trash. I'll step it up, a little bit. Yeah, yeah. August 38, I'm on the spot. All 6 chambers, one is hot. Through the last 6 X's, one is not. Through the last 6 stories, one is hot. 816 ever since the first day, and I don't give a fuck what these snitches gotta say. Have my name written down. Yeah. Check. Holy fucking shit.
No, it's fine. It's so good.
Oh, fuck. Let's speed it up. Yeah. Hit it down. 816 ever since the first day, and I don't give a fuck what your God has to say. It's been a minute, more like a century. If you didn't mean a cent to me, I wouldn't spend a cent, you see. Spent more on a white tee than I ever spent on Nike. Yeah, I'm something like a busy bee. I've been here for a century, and life and time before hasn't never meant a thing to me. But now I'm feeling something, I feel alive. Yeah. Got these feelings fading fast and they don't seem to last. So I'm pressing on the gas as I'm driving too fast. Someday, we're all gonna die. Yeah. I've been chilling out icy in a white tee, screaming out like bitch where the mic be. I've kissed you more at night. I miss drugs more than life.
Hello, Luke. This is your manager.
We don't.
Luke, this is your call. And the sender at a correctional facility attempted to make a collect call to this number.
I don't give a motherfucker chipping kids from Compton. Swear to God, they couldn't even stop him. They killed the world from the words I'm dropping. Moms in the church screaming, God, please stop him. 816, everything's fucking stopping. But they're steady still watching. 816, ever since first day. Where were you today? As the sun still melts away, lost inside a lie, on our backs, staring at the crimson sky. There's death inside the clouds, slowly floating by, steady holding hands, waiting for the world to die. I don't give a fuck what your God has to say. But OCD when they talk about me, place cap on the G, still rep KC, so you know where I be. They fell short this time. Your smile fades in the summer. Play with your hands in mine. I'll leave when I wanna. 816 ever since the first day, and I don't give a fuck what your man gotta say. I'm a blood red van, but I'm homeward bound. Take a pussy to the pound, make your boyfriend drown. Slow down, we don't have the time to think. Please listen up, I don't have the time to speak. Yeah, 816 ever since the first day, and like a quarterback I call every play. Yeah, it's totally your night for sure.
for
sure.
Where you at?
Just remember you got more nosebleeds than I do.
Sucks, boy. Wait, your mailbox correct?
I don't give a motherfuck, check them kids from Compton. Yeah, I swear to God,
Right.
you couldn't even stop him. Instead he killed the world from the words I'm dropping. Moms in the church screaming, God, please stop him.
Sucks, boy.
And it ain't fucking stopping. But the steady still watching.
I do not like the way you do not answer my phone calls on the daily, okay?
Where were you today? As the sun still melts away, lost inside a lie, on our backs staring at the crimson sky.